calculated thunder. Power from a finely tuned engineering masterpiece under the hood. That's Chevrolet power. This is another dependable, quiet, smooth. Both are a big part of Chevrolet leadership. Chevrolet power, engines and transmissions. In 1970, aim for the sky with Chevrolet power. Whether it's for city driving, modern high-speed highways, or special high performance, you have the reliable engines, the balanced engine lineup. Let's check the engines one by one. The L4, America's only passenger car four-cylinder engine. This penny pincher, available for Nova, has a 153 cubic inch displacement and develops 90 horsepower. Let's take a moment to look at the advantages of the six-cylinder engine. For 1970, Chevrolet 6s offer the new slimline spark plugs, 7 main bearings for greater durability, and use regular grade fuel. More sales points. Six-cylinder engines cost less to buy with lower recommended maintenance costs. The first of 2 time-tested Chevrolet 6s is the 230 cubic inch 140 horsepower. This is the base 6 for the Nova and the current Camaro. The second entry in the six-cylinder team is the 250 cubic inch 155 horsepower. It's the base 6 power plant for the Impala Sport Coupe, Impala 4-door sedan, Bel Air and Biscayne 4-door sedans, Chevelle, and most 116-inch wagons. This represents a power boost for Chevelle over last year's base 230 cubic inch 6. The 250 cubic inch 6 is optional for Nova and Camaro. Economy with punch. That's what the 307 cubic inch 200 horsepower base V8 offers for the Chevelle, current Camaro, Nova, and 116-inch wheelbase wagons. Pure and simple, the 307 V8 does the job. Delivers performance, dependability, and economy on regular gasoline. The 350 cubic inch 250 horsepower replaces the 327 as the base V8 for the big Chevrolets. It's also base for the new Monte Carlo and full-size wagons. Big standard V8 power, a sales point in your favor. A plus with an engine this size. It easily takes options like power steering and air conditioning. Another plus, this big standard V8 uses regular fuel for greater economy. The premium fuel 350 V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor could be the choice of the man who wants a little more pizzazz. This 300 horsepower performer is optional for Chevrolet, Chevelle, current Camaro, Nova SS, and all wagons. It's the standard mill for the current Corvette. The 396 engine, rigged with renowned porcupine heads, is all muscle and all go. The 350 horsepower performer comes with the Chevelle SS 396 package this year, up 25 horses over last year. For the Camaro SS and Chevy Nova SS, it's a special performance limited production option. A 375 horsepower special high performance limited production version is available for Chevelle SS 396, Camaro SS, and Chevy Nova SS. The new 454 engine delivers enough horsepower to handle air conditioning and all the power assists on the order form with plenty of zip to spare. It's an option for Chevrolet and full-size wagons at 345 horsepower and 390 horsepower. A 454 engine with 360 horses powers Monte Carlo SS. for power and economy, there's the brand new 400 cubic inch, 265 horsepower V8, available for the big Chevrolet, Monte Carlo, and full-size wagons. It has a 2-barrel carburetor and burns regular fuel. This engine is 140 pounds lighter than last year's comparable 396 regular fuel engine. This engine may be light on weight and gas consumption, but it's a lion in the performance corner. There's also a new 400 cubic inch premium fuel V8 available for the Monte Carlo, Chevelle, and 116-inch wheelbase wagons. This power plant is equipped with a 4-barrel carb and develops 330 horsepower. As an added feature for 1970, Chevrolet powertrains have aluminized tailpipes and positive positioning joints and clamps at all junctures. Aluminized tailpipes last longer. Positive position joints assure correct alignment at all times. The 1970 Chevrolet engines can be combined with 2 manual, 1 semi-automatic, and 2 automatic transmission types. For economy-minded buyers, the 3-speed manual is one answer. It offers the driver positive control of each gear change, and every Chevrolet manual transmission is fully synchronized to assure clash-free shifting up or down. You can sell 4-speed manuals with most V8s in the entire Chevrolet lineup, except for the big Chevrolet and full-size wagons. Optional V8s for the big Chevrolet are available with automatic transmission only. Torque Drive. This low-priced unit has proved itself to economy-minded Camaro and Nova drivers and goes on doing a job with the L4 engine in the Nova and the L6 in Nova and the current Camaro. The Power Glide transmission is for the prospect who wants convenience at bargain prices. This 2-speed automatic has what it takes to make driving a joy with efficiency and economy. Old Reliable is teamed with both 6-cylinder engines and all V8s up through and including 350 cubic inches, except the Corvette 350. Turbo Hydromatic, the ultimate in automobile transmissions, is available right down the line. Nova buyers can enjoy the luxury right along with the owners of Chevrolet's new one, the Monte Carlo. Chevrolet for 1970. What it's all about when it comes to power. Chevrolet Power. A major reason Chevrolet flies the #1 banner as America's greatest selling automobile. For 1970, you have what it takes to aim for the sky with Chevrolet Power.